In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung tablet to Windows 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you what I believe is the most convenient method to set up your Samsung tablet, regardless of the model, with a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So first, I want to talk about the two main reasons on why you would connect a Samsung tablet to Windows 11. If you just want to transfer files and documents, the easiest way to do this is by connecting it with a USB cable. So you just plug one end of the cable into the laptop, usually the USB-A end, and then the other one goes into your Samsung tablet. The main purpose of this, like I said, is to transfer files. If you want to use the tablet as an additional monitor in conjunction with the main one that you are using on your laptop or a PC, then you will have to follow different instructions. But I just wanted to get this option out of the way if all you wanted to do was transfer pictures, files, documents, videos, and so on. Just use a cable like this and you will be able to access the tablet's storage. Now, if you want to use it as an additional screen in conjunction with your main one, then what you have to do is first swipe down from the top on your Samsung tablet and find the second screen option. This is native to most tablets made by Samsung. So find second screen. If you don't see it here, make sure that you tap the plus sign to add new functions to the quick menu, or go into the settings and look for second screen instead. As you can see here, you will see your tablet's name and you will get instructions on what to do. So all that you have to do on Windows is press the Windows key plus W. So press the Windows button plus W and you will be able to get it connected. When you press the Windows key plus W, you will see this menu appear at the bottom right corner of the screen and your tablet is going to be selectable as long as you chose to use the second monitor option. When you tap on it from the list, you will be able to connect and it is going to remain connected indefinitely. Immediately, the screen of your Windows 11 PC or laptop is going to be mirrored over on the tablet. And now you will be able to control the display options. If you open the Windows settings and you go into System and then Display, you will be able to control the positioning, so you can change how the displays are oriented and apply. Sadly, for this video, I cannot show you how it would look like in real life, but basically, if you have your tablet at your left, you probably want to place it here. If you have it on the right, you probably want to place it here, and so on. Control the displays however you prefer, and you will be able to use your tablet in conjunction with your Windows 11 PC or laptop. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung tablet to Windows 11. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.